guys, welcome back. So glad you're here. It's another week and I'm plugging away on that project for spring. I'm almost finished, which is really exciting. So I'm gonna finish up a couple of drawings today and share that with you. We'll probably get through a number today and maybe they'll be a little bit quicker than usual. So you'll see sort of the general look and feel of this project. And then hopefully later on this week, I'll start getting into the preview stage. So that's my goal. We'll see how we do. I also have my mom's birthday this week, so I'm going to take a day off and celebrate with her, which I'm looking forward to. So nothing else too crazy going on this week, just the usual mummy stuff. So let's get right into it. Hey guys, I am on my way to some massage therapy because I've done something to my arm because I think it's just, I don't know, from probably holding an iPad too much. Anyways, I've been struggling. It's really painful and time to get a little help. So I'm gonna go to the spa where there's an RMT, and so it sounds just horrible, doesn't it? Anyways, might as well get a spa trip out of it, right? So off I go, and I might have a little relaxation while I'm at it. So I am back, and that was amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels so good. I need to do this more often.
really as a preventative measure, I think, right? Oh my gosh, I love the spa. I love a good massage. So nice.
it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below what you prefer, this having the overhead camera or like today with the screen capture. I'm not sure which I prefer, or maybe it's both. I would love to know what you think. And if you like this video, I'd love a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and don't forget to check out in the description below. There's always a link for some free goodies I'd love to share with you. So I hope you guys have a great week. Love you, and I'll see you in the next one.